Welcome back! Last week, we made these patio chairs, and today, we're going to make a matching side table. So let's head out to the shop and let's get started. For this project, you're going to need a 2x3, a 1x8, and a whole bunch of dowels. So let's head over to the miter saw and cut these all to length. The 1x8s need to be ripped down to 6.5 inches, so I cranked up the table saw and trimmed them down. We'll also need to rip 2-inch strips for the side support. Here is a breakdown of all the cuts needed. Now that we have all our pieces cut, we need to drill dowel holes like these into all the miter cut ends. To do that, I'm going to be using this Joint Master jig. Now that all the holes have been drilled, we can add dowels and glue the table legs together. Here I'm clamping a temporary brace between the bottom of the legs to ensure they stay at 90 degrees while the glue dries. While the glue dries, we're going to be using this self-centering dowel jig to drill holes into the end grain of the tabletop boards. Next, I'm going to be using these center transfer plugs to mark where I need to drill the dowel holes in the table legs. Just pop them right into your dowel holes and then align it to the opposite part. A few quick hits with a rubber mallet transfers the exact position to drill on the board. Let's head over to the drill press and get that done. And now for the gluing and assembly time lapse. I clamped it all up and left it to dry. Now it's time to sand all the surfaces with an orbital sander. I'm using the same semi-transparent stain that I use on the patio chairs. One final touch is adding rubber pads so the wood doesn't come in contact with the patio surface. All that was left to do was give it a test run. Yep, it works. Thanks for watching, and look out for the next patio project where we will be making a matching sofa to complete the set.